You want to know how to generate more leads for your business. Well, one of the key ways is hosting events and open houses. So I'm going to run through some bullet points for you to consider when you're looking at something like this. Running workshops and events is a critical part of growing your business. So if you're uncomfortable doing these, then please listen to some of these tips and get used to it and comfortable, because this is going to be your top 3 guaranteed ways of generating new leads. So firstly, you want to define your goals. What do you want to achieve from this particular event? Is it to generate new leads? Is it about building brand awareness or providing information and training your target audience? You need to be very clear on your goals so that you can tailor your event specifically to meet the requirements of your target audience. And in that respect, know who your target audience is. Who do you want to attend the event? What are their needs? What are their interests? And understanding that will help you create a more targeted and effective marketing campaign in the lead up to your event. Plan your event effectively. Failing to plan is planning to fail is the old adage that stands the test of time. You want to choose the right date, choose the right location that's convenient for both you and your target audience. Plan the format. Is it a seminar? Is it a workshop? Is it an open house? And make sure you've got support. It's not just all about you. Do you need team? Do you need people around you to help manage the event and provide attendees with the information that they need? Are you marketing your event? You should be. Use the social media, use email marketing, any other channels you can to promote your event to a wider, broader audience. And make sure you highlight the benefits of attending your particular seminar and have a clear call to action. Click here to register, call this number, whatever it may be. And engage with your attendees when you get to the event. Make sure that you're taking time to talk to everybody, answer their questions, be involved with them, and make sure that you've got all the right information, brochures, handouts, all the things that they will need to take away with them. When you finish the event, make sure that you evaluate the event. Has it worked as you plan? And what have you learned? Everything you do has to have a learning point out of it. Think back about what you could do better next time round. Okay. And just a couple of other final points in here is, offer value. People are only likely to engage and attend your events if they perceive value in attending. Offer them information, free resources, handouts, exclusive access to some of your products or services, for example. You want them to come to your event and walk away feeling that they've learned and they're going away with more than they came with. There's other little bits and pieces, creating a sense of urgency, limited time, limited numbers, using social proof of previous events that you've had, with testimonials and things like that have in place. And after the event, follow up quickly with people. Don't leave it too long. Send them an email. Thank you for coming. Again, links to questionnaires or such like on your website. There's lots of things that you can do to still build the relationship. And this is the important thing to remember. This is about building relationships with prospective clients. You're not going in with a hard sale on day one. If you get a sale when people come into the event, that's brilliant. But what you're doing is you're going through that process of they're getting to know you, they get to like you, and then they get to trust you. And then once they get to the stage of trusting you, that's really where you're in that position where they will buy from you. So bear these things in mind. And again, there are plenty more. If you read the article on this that is on our website, then you'll see loads more tips, etc., that you can go through to help you make your event successful. Good luck. Thank you.